Most people hear zombie debt and run from it. But the wealthy? They run toward it, because that same old uncollectible debt that collectors throw away can actually become a gold mine if you know how to buy it right. This video ain't about avoiding debt, it's about flipping the script and owning it. What zombie debt really is? Zombie debt is old debt that's been written off, sold, and resold, usually past the statute of limitations. Creditors call it worthless, but investors see it as an opportunity because it's dirt cheap and the numbers can scale fast. We're talking about debt portfolios that go for pennies on the dollar. The key is knowing which ones are profitable and which ones are just paper trash. So where do you find this stuff? There's three main routes. 1. Debt brokers and exchanges. Sites like DebtTrader, ChargedOff.com, or PaperStack list portfolios you can vet. 2. Collection agencies liquidating inventory. Many sell old accounts they can't legally chase anymore. 3. Private sellers and forums. Inside investor groups, you'll find sellers with aged paper they're offloading. But here's the catch. Not all zombie debt is equal. You gotta verify before you buy. How to verify? Before you buy. Before you drop a dime, check these. Statute of limitations. You can't legally collect after it expires, but you can negotiate or resell under the right structure. Data integrity. Make sure the file has full name, SSN, DOB, address, balance, and original creditor. Missing data equals worthless. Chain of title. You need the assignment docs to prove ownership. No paper trail equals no power. Perform a sample verification. Ask for a random account proof to test accuracy before you buy the whole pool. Starting small. Don't jump in with $10,000 right away. Start with a small pool, 100 to 500 accounts. Test your systems, see how you can negotiate, resell, or use the data strategically. You'll learn faster, safer, and build your playbook before scaling. Here's the secret. Owning debt means owning leverage. You control the paper. You decide whether to resell, negotiate, or wrap it into other financial plays. The same way banks profit from notes, you're learning to profit from charge-offs. So next time somebody says zombie debt is dead money, tell them it just ain't alive for them. Because the real investors know how to make money off what others call worthless. Hit that subscribe, drop a comment if you want me to break down the flipping side next, because the next video will show you how to monetize and scale zombie debt into real cash flow. Stay tuned. It's about to get surgical.